Are you considering solar, but you're just not sure you want to deal with it? Or you looked into solar in the past and the numbers just didn't make sense? Well, that's why my partner and I founded solarforgood.com. We wanted to make it solar just a no-brainer. For example, a family we helped last week, the Johnsons, they were paying about $230 a month for power. Now, with solar, without a penny out of pocket, they're paying $98 a month. $98 a month for that system produces $230 a month worth of power. We believe electricity should be a basic human right. Should not need to struggle, should not need to stress about the power bill. That $230 power bill, it got up to $350, $400 in the summertime for that family. You know, it was just $230 for on average, right? It was less in the winter and a whole lot higher in the summer because of the AC. If you're experiencing that same kind of pain, you just don't want to deal with it anymore, but you've looked into solar and numbers didn't make sense. That's why my partner and I founded Solar for Good, because we want to make sure families don't overpay for solar. For example, like I said, that family went from paying $230 to $98. That's because the way we work is we get multiple installers, both nationwide and local, to compete for your home. And we do it all online. So you don't have to deal with somebody coming out to your house in person. You don't have to deal with the weird salesman. Basically, click the link down below or to the side, and we'll analyze your roof using Google satellite images. We use 3D Google Maps to make it a whole lot simpler and a whole lot more accurate, and it reduces the hassle tenfold. Also reduces the cost. So super exciting time to look into solar. Definitely